iba't ibang produkto na nagmumula sa itlog. Isa na rito ang silua. Ito ay isang lokal na delikasiya na tanging sa bayang ito nakagawa. Ang Shrine of St. Joseph the Patriarch ay ating matatagpuan sa munisipalidad ng San Jose. Ang nasabing simbahan ay dating itinayo gamit ng kawayan at kugon, ngunit pinatibay pa ito sa paglipas ng panahon sa pamamagitan ng mas maayos na kagamitan at materyales.
Isa sa prestiyosong parte ng simbahang ito ang Kumbento de San Jose. Maganda itong lugar upang pagbuklodin ang dalawang nag-iibigan.
Mayroon ding prayer garden sa simbahang ito.
Welcome to Kasarap.
Ang Kasarap na minsan ding tinawag na Cafe Kasarap ay makikita din sa munisipalidad ng San Jose. Sa unang tingin, aakalain mong isa lamang itong lumang greenhouse, ngunit sa loob ay inihahanda ang masarap na pagkain Pinoy.
Dare to dream really do come true. Someday I wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind.
Isang maliit na ilog naman na makikita sa ibabang bahagi ng kainan.
Where troubles melt like lemon drops high above the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly.
Marian Orchard, a 5-hectare Catholic theme park conducive for prayers, meditation, friends, or family bonding. With a modest retreat house, Sacred Heart Chapel, observation tower, picnic hats, and shrine of different saints, meditation garden, and rosary garden. This is the Marian Orchard.
Not just the flowers or fruits, not just a park or a shrine, but the presence of Christ.
Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue.
Ito naman ang tinatawag na Sacred Heart Chapel. Dito, maaari tayong manalangin at magnilay-nilay. Halina't suminsay!
Kung ang hanap naman ninyo ay isang tahimik na lugar para manalangin, magnilay, at magpasalamat sa Kanya, dito tayo naman sa prayer garden ng Marian Orchard.
Oh, someday I wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind.
Isa naman sa pinagmamalaking dalanginan ng Marian Orchard ay ang grotong ito. Ito ay sumisimbolo sa kapayapaan at katahimikan ng lugar na ito.
That's where you'll find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, birds fly over the rainbow. Why then, oh why can't I?
Isang wishing well naman ang matatagpuan sa sentro ng Garden of Saints, kung saan makikita ang mga life-size ng mga santo.
There's a land that I dreamed of once in a lullaby. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. Oh, someday I wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops high above the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow.
Lipa, kilala rin bilang Little Rome dahil sa pinagmamalaki nitong mga simbahan, simbolo ng pananampalataya ng mga Lipeno.
Isa sa mga pinakakilalang simbahan nito ang San Sebastian Cathedral, kung saan nabuhay at umusbong ang Archdiocese ng Lipa noong 1910. Sulinsay.
Cathedral of Lipa.
The parish of Lipa was administered by Augustinians from
from 16 to the end of the 19th century. Lipa, which was located formerly on the shore of Bombon Lake, was destroyed by the eruption of Taal volcano in 1754 but was reconstructed on the present site. This church was built under the supervision of the Reverend Benito Varas OSA, parish priest from 1865 to 1894. The Diocese of Lipa was created by Pope Pius X on April 10, 1910. The Augustinians encouraged the extensive cultivation of cacao and coffee.
Pagpatak ng alas 6 ng gabi sa lungsod ng Lipa, unti-unti na itong nag-iiba. Ang dating daanan ng sasakyan ay nagiging bilihan ng sari-saring damit, pagkain at kung ano-ano pa. Bright city lights, busy streets, scrumptious carte de jour, all this and more can be found right at Lipa City Night Market. This project has given service to struggling business folks in the city. This is through the efforts of the former city mayor Oscar Gozos. One thing is sure to grab your attention when you go to this night market, and that is the selection of mouth-watering foodstuff along the street. It's like fiesta every day. Ilan lamang iyan sa pinagmamalaki na probinsya ng Batangas.
Alay, doon po sa amin, ay sarap suminsay.